If you are changing the valve or the switch for the first time, it is a good idea to completely remove the airbox. With the rear wing removed, you can access the valve and switch, but it's a lot easier, especially if you're doing this for the first time, to remove the wing, bumper, and tail lights. If you choose to go that route, please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance. The system is located on the front of the airbox on the right side and indicated by the red arrow. I'm going to show you the procedure by removing the airbox. You can get access and perform this work without it if you like. Begin by pressing in on the electrical connector, red arrow, and separating them. Squeeze in the connection on the blue vacuum line and separate them, red arrow. Separate the vacuum line by pulling it out of the valve, red arrow. Press in the clip on the brown electrical connector and separate the wiring connection. At this point, I'm going to remove the airbox. I remove the two 10mm bolts holding the airbox in place, red arrow, one shown. Use a 7mm socket and fully loosen the hose clamp connecting the intake tube to the throttle body, red arrow. Use a pick and separate the tube from the throttle body. You can now tilt the airbox back and lift it from the vehicle. With the airbox on your bench, you can see and access the system, red arrow. Both valve switches are held onto the airbox by plastic clips, red arrows. Lift out on the tabs, red arrow, and then slide them off of the airbox. Separate the remaining vacuum lines. There is an additional electrical connection indicated by the green arrow. Slide the gray tab back and then press down to separate them, red arrow. Separate the remaining vacuum lines for the component you are replacing. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.